Hey, my name's Sarah and I'm with Black+Decker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wooden wine glass holder. Here's the material and equipment that you'll need. A 1 by 8 inch board. You'll only need 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, so the smallest you can find at your store. A circular saw, the 20-volt auto-sense drill, a jigsaw, a mouse sander, 4-volt pivoting screwdriver, safety glasses and gloves, a 5/8 inch spade bit, a 1 1/4 inch hole saw, fine grit sandpaper, and a brass monogram. Start by using a matrix circular saw to cut a 7.5 by 7.5 inch square. Ours has already been pre-cut and measured. The channels are 2.5 inches long and 3/8 inches wide. The 4 holes at the end of the channel will be 5/8 inches and the center hole will be 1 1/4 inch. The next step is to use your auto-sense drill in drill mode with the hole saw attached. Make sure to line up the bit with your center line first. You can always drill a guide hole to help you line it up. Next, we're going to make 4 holes, each 5/8 inches. Use the auto-sense and your 5/8 inch spade bit on each. This is where the glasses will rest. To make the channels, grab your jigsaw and cut on the guidelines, which should be 3/8 inches apart. Your project should look like this. Now you'll want to sand the project with the mouse sander and your sandpaper. Don't hesitate to go over it a number of times to make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. Once you're finished sanding, choose a stain that you like and stain it 2 to 3 times. Each time you've stained it, make sure to go over and sand it again just to make sure it's extra smooth. After staining our project, we used our 4-volt pivot screwdriver to screw in a brass monogram for some added personality. Now that your project's complete, all you need is a decent bottle of wine, 4 wine glasses, and a friend with food. To see more projects like this one, visit us at blog.blackanddecker.com.